Friday morning, everybody. You are watching the first few bales being made of the year. I just raked the end rows and then I made a round up and down the field. But yeah, that's what we're doing here. I'm just going to do that. The alfalfa isn't quite ready. Tomorrow it should be, but I'm going to rake a bunch of it, flip it over a little bit per se. It's just a little bit green on the bottom to get that lime green stem. You can tell it still has moisture in it. We just moved out the last set of cows, 43 of them. 43 of them. We moved to a pasture, Devin and Nick, and then I had a friend come over, Max. We helped load them. Devin's got one more set of cows. I think there's eight or nine left. So that's what we got going. Nick is gonna go when they get done here. Nick is gonna go cut some more alfalfa down, and they both have to leave at around 3:30, 3:45, because we got to go help a guy, a bunch of kids. We got to go help work about 250, 260 head of cow. Pairs, I should say. So that's what they're gonna do. They're leaving at. They're gonna start that at 4, and I'm just gonna bale and rake. And tomorrow, Devin's in a fishing tournament with his dad, so I hope everything goes good there. I obviously tried using a magnet this time. I hope the view's okay. Obviously it'll be a lot steadier than my head is, but yeah, this alfalfa is absolutely beautiful, but we're supposed to get rain tonight. I guess I'm not going to have a bunch of it raked. I think what I can do is rake about 20 acres. By the time I'm done raking it, I might be able to bale it. It should be okay. It's not going to get super hot. It's going to get 80. But I'm using the 75-20, and you can see all the bird shit on it. That's always a bonus. I like that. You know, keeps you awake. You know, you clean the tractors all up, and first thing that happens is some bird comes by and says, hey, let's take a big old shit on that thing. But anyway, everybody take care. Please subscribe if you haven't. Like, comment. Hey, everybody take care. Cow season, you know, it's still working cattle season. I don't want nobody to get hurt. You know, if you're old like me, your bones will never mend. All right, guys, take care.